Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lens for building photography that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony wide-angle zoom lens. A wide-angle lens with a maximum focal length of 35mm, the Sony wide-angle zoom lens is an excellent option for those interested in building photography. It is designed to get 50 line pairs per millimeter, resolving power for the clearest shots, and has 2 extreme aspherical XA elements that ensure that pictures are perfectly clear. As indicated by my tests, this lens delivers high-resolution shots and superb contrast, making it ideal for architecture, landscape, and other subjects. The minimum focus distance is 0.28 meters, which means that the angle of view is quite wide, allowing you to photograph a wide space. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Nikon wide-angle lens. The Nikon wide-angle lens is another excellent option worth considering, with a focal length range of 14 to 24 millimeters, which is ideal for architecture photography. It has a minimum focus distance of 0.28 meters, which is another reason this lens is great for taking pictures of buildings. Also, I discovered through using this product that the minimum f/stop of the Nikon lens is 22. This means that the lens is highly efficient in controlling the amount of light required for lighting the subject, ensuring crisp pictures. It has also been optimized to provide edge-to-edge sharpness, even when using DX format image sensors. At number 3, we have the Sony ultra-wide zoom lens. I've decided to include another lens from Sony here, since it is among the best zoom lenses currently available, with a full-frame constant f2.8 at 12 to 24 millimeters. This ultra-wide zoom lens provides a wide angle of view and has advanced XD linear motors, making it a great choice for architectural photography. The ultra-wide-angle lens has a maximum aperture of f2.8, which helps provide the best depth of field and exposure, whether shooting landscapes or buildings. And with the 12mm angle of view, it becomes easy to create impressive dynamics while effectively emphasizing distance. At number 2, we have the Sony E-mount lens. With innovative features like optical steady-shot image stabilization and support for the E-mount from Sony, this Sony lens is the next item on this list. It is a popular choice among wide-angle lenses designed for landscape and architectural photography, compatible with the A7 series of full-frame cameras. The lens comes with a ZST coating that helps reduce ghosting and flare, helping you focus easily on the subject without distractions. Aside from that, it has a minimum focus distance of 0.28 meters for capturing even wider areas with perfect clarity. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canon Telephoto Lens. Canon is one of the best-known manufacturers of cameras and lenses, and this telephoto lens is an excellent offering from the brand. It is a lightweight and compact telezoom lens with an incredible zoom range of 100 to 400 millimeters, ideal for capturing buildings in complete detail. This camera lens also comes with an optical image stabilizer and has up to 5.5 stops that can be used for correcting blurry or unclear images. But I was even more impressed after trying this product and pairing it with an EOS R camera, which helps you get up to 6 stops of shake correction. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!